a blue.
Where? Oh, on my finger. Yeah.
Right here.
It's almost in, I bet. Here it comes. Come on, let's grab this window. Can you see? Where is it? Is it up there? Can you look up in the sky? Oh, it's still up there quite a ways. Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
Oh, good. This is Rich in his environment.
Hey,
Hi, Trav.
Honey, have you ever used one of those before? Have you ever used one of those before?
Not really. As you can probably tell when you watch this. It's funny. Well, because you probably never get to see Rich on camera because you're always the one filming. So now you know what it feels like when you watch this. You'll be like, oh, God, please turn it off.
The secret of success is to hold the camera very, very steady. Don't zoom much.
Oh, God, he's such a ham.
And,
I don't know how to zoom, but I'm...
oh, good. You're better off not.
Oh, I just figured it out. Let's get into every follicle and blackhead on his face. Hi. Linda, what are you doing?
Heat up the quiche. Julia,
This is the Linda Upright Cooking Show.
and then, after that, you stir in the pots together.
And some cookie sheets.
Whoopsie.
Look natural. Are you comfortable with this?
I don't think I don't have. Oh my God, I got this stuck in a freaking tree.
Uh-oh.
Oh God, Charlie Brown.
Oh, no. Oh.
I had to pull it down to wind it up and it's in.
Such a nice day.
On the roof. Look at that sun now. You can get that airplane.
Where? Oh, yeah. It makes the sun's making like tracks of light.
You got the kite?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, pretty. Wish life was like that.
That was nice.
That was beautiful.
And you might want to change your towel.
I could.
Okay, wait. Rich, this is the canary shit. This is the canary potion. It looks very yummy, doesn't it?
What are you going to do with that?
Put it in this hair.
Put it on my mom's hair.
Why?
Because it makes it auburn. No, because we feel like Cleopatra. Don't I look like her?
This has been going on since the days of Cleopatra on the Nile.
And you're doing it on purpose?
This is old beauty secrets.
Okay, I have to go around and get the stuff that's blocked on the
Look at Casey's face.
She's
standing there, going like this.
Yeah, she's saying, if I do this, I'll get in trouble.
Yeah.
Well, you guys can do it.
Does it matter if it's going on my scalp?
No.
Like, does it matter if it goes on the scalp back there?
Well, wait, there's
Well,
big
underneath
blocks
your
on the
hair.
here. I have to get a towel for your feet.
What's to keep your scalp from under your hair turning?
But no one will ever see it. Right?
His hair's there. Look now. One poo-poo, two poo-poo.
This works.
This will make your whole. This is going to change
Do
your
you do
whole
like
life.
the underneath hair and everything?
Yeah, I'm trying to get in there as much as I can.
Oh, this won't come up.
What are you trying to do?
They're gonna, you guys are going to
Staining?
No. It's just falling on the last two.
Say how to get rid of it if it stains. Hi.
We'll have to see the after photos.
Yeah, glamorous after photos. It's the big
Compare that.
hair.
I haven't had a day in 6 months. I think I need a change.
This will change your whole life, Mrs. Upright.
Yeah, well, you can submit this tape for the video dating service. this picture right now.
And Opie donated
See
the
if you get
hair coloring.
I like natural things.
Yes.
I like to travel to the Far East and Egypt.
And Opie wants to donate the hair gel.
Yeah. Why don't we just pour the whole bowl on the top of my head and then...
Are you doing it too, Abby?
No, I'm really kidding.
No,
Oh, Because you've done it before.
No,
You
but
know how it
She's
turns
already
out.
ruined her life.
Oh, we just missed the biggest flop. As soon as she moved this tin
Oh,
foil,
God.
big blob. Pie cake.
It went on a tinfoil.
No, missed by 1 inch.
Oh, my
Casey
God.
picked the tin foil up.
It permanently is. You know what you should do is take that gorgeous rug up.
No, we're redoing this whole bathroom right there.
Redoing it. It's all new.
It's our next thing. There's going to be a tile floor here.
What was that big crash?
We didn't hear because we're redheads
I have really red hair and I'm really upset.
And I have really red hair and I really love it.
I would just put it on to be nice and come see her in the light, my dear. I look like Lucille Ball. I like being a blonde.
Oh, my.
Now I'm gonna have fun. Maybe yours is red.
I love it.
It's a great color.
I want blonde hair.
You do have
Sorry.
blonde hair, but it's a little redder.
Maybe next time around.
Looks like a...
I like it.
Let's see it in the
It's
sunlight.
like, you know, we think it's such a big deal.
That's what I mean.
No
If I
one's
stand
gonna
over
notice.
here, like,
Yeah, go in the sunlight.
Say, oh
Okay,
my
go
God.
in the sunlight.
Go in the sunlight.
Okay, let's go in the sunlight.
Whoa! Keep doing that.
Because I think that my heel is narrow.
Now we want to get the real picture.
No.
Let's see.
Okay, now.
It's that red, radiant glow. It makes you feel so alive. Does it look redder?
It does.
I'm happier.
It does.
I'm definitely happier. Oh, my life is going to be so different now.
Gonna make all the difference.
This is it. They'll say, I wonder what it is about her. She just has that red glow.
Yes, and I owe it all to natural Egyptian henna. That's been advertising.
That's right.
You get in the sunlight too.
You might kind of. Oh, look
Am
at
I
that
inside?
red glow. Glow, little red light, glow, 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 glow. Look how it is really red. Is it?
Auburn.
She's Auburn. I don't believe it. Yours
My
is
hair is
dramatic.
very red.
Yours is a dramatic change.
You notice it, Rich?
Oh yeah.
You notice mine?
Not as much.
At all?
Highlights.
Yes,
there are
you
there
notice
are
it.
Auburn highlights now that I don't think were there before.
People who know you well will say, your hair has a red glow, it's just color and
Yeah.
whatever. But people who don't really know you very well will be like, wow, she looks different. And
Yeah.
you'll notice.
Like, you have definite Auburn hair now.
Me too. And the sun isn't even out.
Okay, now. Now,
It's very warm out there.
do you mind if I call Greg?
No.
Okay. You guys never call.
It's getting redder by the minute. Look
Looks
at that.
nice.
But I'm the blonde in the family.
Not anymore.
No.
That's temporary stuff anyway, isn't it?
Well, it fades.
Yeah.
What do you think, Case?
What does she have?
What do you have there?
Oh, little books.
Thank you. Oh, thanks, Case.
I would have dialed it the second time.
Dun, dun, dun.
Look at it.
Let's see it in the sunlight.
I have to put lipstick on.
Oh, okay.
It's not blonde anymore. Completely red.
Da 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 da.
It's very red. I mean, it's not like the color of your hair is completely changed.
Completely changed.
Changed.
Here I am.
Look,
I just
look,
put a
look.
little.
Your hair is completely changed? Let me say.
Completely.
It has?
Completely changed color.
Yeah, it has.
I just put it on to be
beautiful.
nice to you guys in case. Oh, look how red it is over here. Put it in red. It's all right. It's a little carroty.
That's great.
It's carroty. Carroty. I hate it. And I didn't put it on evenly. I thought it would just
Carrot
sort of
top.
blend in. Does it look like big blotches of it
No.
missing?
No, it's very even.
I like it a lot.
You guys.
Did she call in the hospital?
Yes. The chair's broken.
Shut up. We're just like so excited and I'm really upset.